Hello, it's Ms. J. Hope you're doing well. I wanted to make a quick video to help walk you through the remaining lessons. So in English Studio, the easiest way to find essential lessons is to click on classwork, and then each week you'll find the lesson titled Essential Lesson, and that's the quickest way to find all 7 that are posted already. And really quickly, I'll walk through what he's already done and what each of them are to help through to completion. Essential Lesson 1 and 5 are about reading, and he has already started number 1, and these are model entries. 2 more for full completion here, and he can repeat for Lesson 5, and those will be completed lessons. He completed Essential Lesson 2 already, so he's got 1 in the books. Number 3 is about the writing process, and it looks like he's begun a letter to Governor Whitmer. He can continue with this idea and expand his writing here, his reasoning about why to cancel school. What does he mean by that? I will provide feedback for any improvements and use tools such as Grammarly and spell check to make any improvements. He can submit that one for feedback. Lesson 4 is about his strengths. He's already started this as well and gotten really great ideas here. He can come through, look at examples, and then he can record or call me, or we can Google Meet to give his acceptance speech. It's nothing stressful, just a good way to get together, hear each other, and hear his voice celebrating himself for the awards that he came up with. 5, I said, is choice reading again, so that is just like 1. 6 is about revision and editing. There's an online worksheet and steps on how to use the tools to make revisions and edits, some reflective questions, and submission. And Essential Lesson 7 is about recognizing figurative language. There's the top 25 for reference. He can choose his own song or poem and then find 3 lines that he recognizes as a type of figurative language. Again, a couple of reflective questions, and click turn it in. I hope that's helpful, and always feel free to reach out to me with any questions.